The Hero's Journey of Water. How Richard Wilson's vision evolved into America's premier water generation technology. 1. The crisis. A planet thirsting for solutions. Across the United States and the world, water scarcity is no longer a distant threat. From the drying reservoirs of the Southwest to the rising demand in rapidly expanding cities, Americans understand the science behind the crisis. Climate variability, population growth, and aging infrastructure are converging into a national challenge. Yet this is not a story of fear. It is a story of awakening, a recognition that the systems of the past cannot sustain the future. The nation needed a breakthrough, not a bandage, and that is where the journey begins. 2. The visionary. Richard Wilson and the call to innovate. Every hero's journey has a mentor, someone who sees beyond the horizon. In the realm of modern water technology, that figure is Richard Wilson, an engineer-inventor who refused to accept that water scarcity was an unavoidable destiny. Equipped with a deep understanding of atmospheric science, advanced thermodynamic modeling, and an unwavering belief that technology should serve humanity, Wilson posed a radical question. What if the air around us could become our most reliable reservoir? That single question became the spark that ignited the evolution of what would eventually become the Aqua Tower. 3. The evolution. From prototype to global standard. The Aqua Tower did not emerge fully formed. Its evolution mirrors the classic trials of a hero. Early prototypes, small atmospheric water generators, proved the concept but lacked the efficiency needed for real-world impact. Wilson and his team pressed forward, integrating high surface area condensation grids, solar-assisted thermal differentials, AI-driven humidity optimization, and advanced filtration and mineralization modules. Each iteration solved a scientific challenge, pushing the boundaries of what atmospheric water generation could achieve. As performance improved, the Aqua Tower moved from laboratories to communities, then to cities, and ultimately to global deployment. The United States, known for its rigorous standards and technical scrutiny, became the proving ground. Today, Aqua Towers stand as the preferred atmospheric water generation system across the country, trusted by households, farms, emergency services, and sustainability-driven corporations. 4. The hero emerges. Aqua Tower as a living solution. In this narrative, the Aqua Tower is not merely a machine. It emerges as a protagonist, a technological hero with a clear purpose. It extracts clean water from the air, operates sustainably with minimal energy, provides independence from failing infrastructure, and delivers scientifically verified purity and reliability. For American audiences who value data, engineering integrity, and environmental responsibility, the Aqua Tower represents the convergence of innovation and necessity. It is that rare technology that is both elegant and essential. 5. The transformation. Communities reborn through water. Across the United States, the transformation it brings is visible. Rural homes gain reliable water access. Disaster-prone regions secure emergency supply. Urban families reduce dependence on aging pipelines. Schools and hospitals adopt sustainable water systems. Farms stabilize crop yields through atmospheric water supplementation. In each of these settings, the Aqua Tower becomes more than equipment. It becomes a guardian of resilience, a symbol of American ingenuity, rising to meet a global challenge. Wherever Aqua Towers stand, life stabilizes, communities strengthen, and futures brighten. 6. The invitation. Join the movement toward water independence. Every hero's journey ends with a choice, and for viewers, the choice is simple. Do you want to be part of the solution? The Aqua Tower is not just a product. It is a movement toward sustainability, self-reliance, scientific progress, and environmental stewardship. By adopting an Aqua Tower, individuals and organizations join a global shift toward smarter, cleaner, and more resilient water systems. This is your moment to join the journey. This is your moment to bring the hero home.